many kinds of pirates and there's many kinds of sailors in the world, son, I tell you what. I've seen many sailors myself sail on by as I went towards the pirate fleets in the east. But not many of them came back, I tell you what. The ones that did were never quite the same, I tell you what. There's a foul thing out there, I tell you what. There's the dread pirate Jones out there, I tell you what. There was a cannonball that took out my leg, I tell you what. So if you decide to go sailing, I tell you what, that you don't go east. If you see the blue flag, my friend, you turn around. Don't add your name to the list of the Dread Pirate Jones! I tell you what.